This is going to be the third way how to stamp over gel. So this is just our cured color, and now we are going to just apply our gel top coat and then cure for 30 seconds to a minute. And this method works well if you are the type of person who likes to switch up your nails maybe every couple of days. Now that that is fully cured, we are gonna go ahead and stamp one more time. So from here, you could just use a smudge-free top coat to top this. And if I want to change the design, all I have to do is take acetone, and we're back to our plain black base, because I'm thinking, you know, hey, I want to change up the design. I'm done with the swirls, so I want to try something different. So this is going to be a perfect method for you.